In the idyllic coastal village of Shellington, life was harmonious and simple. The villagers had long used iridescent seashells as their currency, a system universally accepted and cherished. Each person specialized in a craft, be it fishing, pottery, or farming, and exchanged their goods for seashells. These shells could later be used to acquire other necessities. The system was a masterpiece of economic design, a ballet of supply and demand set to the rhythm of clinking shells. Captain Fisher, an ambitious fisherman, sailed farther than any Shellingtonian had ever ventured. He discovered an uncharted island, its beaches awash with the same seashells used back home. Elated, he filled his boat with thousands of shells and returned to Shellington. Upon his return, Captain Fisher began buying goods from everyone, injecting these newfound shells into the village economy. At first, the villagers were thrilled. Business was booming, and shells seemed abundant. But then, the prices of goods started to soar. The potter doubled the price of his vases, and even the humble protein powder vendor raised his rates. It wasn't long before the villagers realized that their shells were losing value. The inflation was insidious, like a slow leak in a boat, unnoticed until it's too late. The value wasn't technically lost. It was transferred to the new shells that Captain Fisher introduced. The villagers felt betrayed, their trust in the shell-based economy shattered. Enter Sage, a mysterious traveler who had been studying the phenomena of currencies in distant lands. He introduced the villagers to Bitcoin, a digital, decentralized currency. Unlike shells, the supply of Bitcoin was fixed at 21 million, making it impervious to inflation. Think of Bitcoin as a vault, Sage explained. A vault that neither kings nor calamities can crack open. It's the gold standard for the digital age. Skeptical but desperate, the villagers began to adopt Bitcoin. As they did, they found their purchasing power restored. Prices stabilized, and the village returned to a state of economic equilibrium, albeit in a modernized form. Bitcoin became the new lifeblood of Shellington, a currency as revolutionary as it was secure. The tale of Shellington serves as an allegory for our own world, where inflation erodes the value of hard-earned money. The root cause often lies in the unchecked power to manipulate currency supply. Bitcoin offers a solution, of financial sanctuary built on the principles